kailangan mo ng bakod. Ang video na to is it's all about setting up boundaries. So I'm Joms and I help men be more confident and masculine as ano ba yung binibigay kong tips? Basta marami akong binibigay na tips about men's personal improvement, development, and yun, if you want more tips on how to improve as a man and you want to join me sa journey ko from a nice guy to a masculine man and successful, mayaman, ganyan. Then you might want to subscribe with my channel. Sabay-sabay tayo. So sa video na to, this is about setting boundaries. Because boundaries is essential for a healthy relationship. Nagtuturo rin ako about relationship, guys. Dating in relationship. Anything about masculinity. So, ano ba yung mga alarming signs that you are not setting up boundaries? So, number 1 is people pleasing. So, you always try to please other people. So, ito pala itong setting up boundaries na to sa lahat to. Hindi lang to sa partner mo kapag may girlfriend ka. Anything, people relationships to. So, if you are trying to please people every time, wala kang boundaries nun. Because lagi kang yes ng yes, yes man ka ng yes man kahit ayaw mo naman talaga. Number 2 is you always feel overwhelmed na sobrang daming nangyayari. Na tipong feeling mo wala nang nangyayari sa yung maganda at sobrang naapakan ka, buhat-buhat mo na yung mundo. And that's because yes ka lang ng yes kahit ayaw mo. And number 3 is you are neglecting your needs. Kumbaga, mas pinapahalagan mo pa yung pangangailangan ng ibang tao kaysa sa sarili mo. In which napapabayaan mo na yung sarili mo. So if you continue to do these alarming signs, to do these things, is number 1, you will feel drained and unfulfilled. Tipong lagi kang pagod, tipong wala ka hindi ka proud sa sarili mo. Number 2 is you may attract toxic individuals. Yung mga toxic individuals na yun, yung mga taong nagtitake for granted. So kakaibiganin ka lang nila kasi lagi kang yes ng yes ng yes. So with that one, magkakaroon ka ng toxic relationships. And number 3, you will struggle to maintain your identity. Kasi nga, you always try to please other people na nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo, kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. So, bakit ba importante ito? Because boundaries protect your well-being and promote respect. Not only respect para sa ibang tao, but also self-respect para sa sarili mo. So, ano yung mga benefits na to? Number 1, you will build more healthy relationships. So, marami kang magiging kaibigan, partners, business partners, nag-alarm. Business partners na magkakaroon kayo ng healthy relationship kasi merong boundaries. So, hindi nyo tinitaken for granted yung isa't isa. Number 2, you will feel empowered and respected. So, with that one, dahil nga hindi ka yes ng yes, hindi ka matitaken for granted, so mas marerespeto ka ng mga tao, mas may value ka sa kanila kasi kailangan nilang mag-effort in order for you to say yes. Kasi kung yes ka ng yes, mawawala yung value ng yes mo. Pinamimigay mo ng libre. Pero kung matuto kang mag-say ng no, then people will value your yes more. And number 3 is you will attract partners who value your boundaries. So, with that one, again, for your relationship, mas okay na meron kayong boundaries. Para iwas manipulation, iwas toxic relationship. So, now, what you can do in order for you to start setting up boundaries pagkatapos ng video na to is I want you to set up a boundary na gagawin mo for this week after this video. Pwedeng mag-say no ka sa mga bagay na ayaw mo naman talaga gawin. Yung mga ganong bagay. So, with that one, I want you to reinforce your boundaries na tipong always ask yourself, ginagawa ko lang ba to in order for me to please that person? Or ginagawa ko to dahil gusto ko? Kapag ginagawa ko lang to in order for me to please that person o para may makuha ko sa kanya, I will say no. And I will only say yes if gusto ko yung bagay, if gusto ko talaga gawin, o kapag genuine talaga na gusto kong ibigay sa kanya yun. So, yun lang. I hope you gain value or you gain a little bit of insight to this video. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe kapag meron. And see you on the next one. Yun lang.